Want to make $1,000 a month? Selling AI-generated art might be your ticket. What if I told you artists are using machines to create masterpieces? Imagine pixel-perfect designs, vibrant colors, and mind-bending concepts, all crafted by artificial intelligence. It sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now. Picture this. You set up a digital canvas. AI takes your simple ideas and boom! Instant artwork. No brushes, no paints, just creativity at lightning speed. Artists are now more like directors, telling AI what to create. The results, stunning pieces that turn heads. But here's the twist. Many people don't even know it's AI. They think it's handcrafted. You could easily sell these artworks online for serious cash. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are overflowing with buyers. You upload your AI-generated art and watch the sales roll in. Here's the kicker. Some artists pull in thousands every month, and they're sharing their secrets online. Now, you might be wondering, can I really do this? Absolutely. Start with free AI tools. Generate intriguing images in minutes. Focus on themes that sell, like pets, landscapes, or abstract designs. Want more eyes on your work? Use social media, share your creative process, and watch your followers grow. Engage with your audience, ask them what they want to see next. The more you interact, the more loyal buyers you'll attract. It's not just about selling art, it's about building a brand. You could even sell prints, stickers, or digital downloads. You'll be amazed at what people are willing to pay. And here's a mind-blowing fact. In 2023, experts predict the AI art market will explode. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Imagine waking up to find you've made money overnight without lifting a brush. How revolutionary is that? So, are you ready to dive in? What's holding you back from creating and selling your own AI-generated art? Your digital gallery awaits. Join the revolution and start your artistic journey today.